that big bumper is going to be removed. We've got clips over here and on the other side, and let's start taking it apart like we did in the front. Step 1, open the door. Step 2, grab some tools. And let's start taking things apart. 10, 10, 10, 3 on this side, 4 more down there. We'll show you. Let's get more out with the push pins and we'll get this guy off. Pushies are out. And one up here just to make sure this thing comes off. Same on the other side. And all we got to do here, let's see if that's all we need. We need a screwdriver as such. Put them right in the center and pop the center out, just like that. And there's a lot more under here. So let's see, we got all past the 10s. This 10 looks like it's definitely connected. This doesn't look like it has to be removed. So we got to see if that's all we need. This doesn't look like it needs to be removed. So let's see, let's start pulling and see what happens. I think you got to pull it off the body first, which would be over here. So we got to pull the fender flare off and see what happens. These guys are stubborn, but what I found out was this whole thing comes off. There, want to replace it? There you go. So, mostly pushes, but here, where it comes into the bumper, here's what I did. I pulled out far enough. So if you pull far enough, you can actually see them. And then push those centers in. It'll make life so much easier to get them out. But both hands, of course. So they were kind enough to leave them on your side. So when you pull, you actually see them on your side. So you push them outward. Push them out, and that relieves it from the actual bumper. So one more push pin, and let's start pulling this guy off. So as I started pulling, it'll sound like it's breaking, but it's not. There's another 10 right here behind this cover. Got to pull this cover off. Same one for removing the taillights. So just pull hands, that's it. They're just clipped in. Let's get the 10 mils out and get this guy off. More to the mystery. Why do I have to remove this? Which looks like someone could just walk up to it and steal off your car, because you need no tools. It's just, here's the part number, here you go, or whatever this is. Oh, here it is. So if someone decides to steal it off your car, all you gotta do, look, it just pops off. That's it, it just pops all off, revealing more plastic. It goes over there. Look, so you got 2 more 10 mils. We got more 10 mils. Look at this. I'm holding this in. So I tried. Let me get both hands. Just pops right off. This is funny. So 4 more 10. It's funny because they have 10 mils where you don't see, but everything else is push pins. That's quite funny. So let's get them off. Get them out. Now, they do give you wonderful access doors to get these clips off. So you see, which is nice because then it makes it so much easier when you pull the bumper off. So you got this one and this one. I love it. Come on, you gotta squeeze really hard. There you go. She's about to fall off, so I need both hands for this. And just like that, the bumper is right there. Huh. That's quite easy. Now, I'm going to leave you with that. So, reverse order, all so simple. Just put the 4 10 mils back, and there you have it. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.